tuần hôm nay tập ngày 12 tháng 8 2016 từ 2.1 đến 2.6. What do you want to eat? I want a bowl of soup. Which book is yours? The blue one on the table is mine. Who called you yesterday? My friend Emma called me. Which book is yours? My book is the thick one. What do you want to eat? Anything fine with me. What do you want to eat? I want a bowl of soup. I'd love to have some pizza. Who called you yesterday? The manager was called. Which book is yours? The one with the card inside. What kind of
mẹ không tự mẹ phải rồi.
What kind of culture series she enjoyed reading history novels? Whose car is parked outside? Its car belongs to a neighbor. What kind of books does she read? She prefers self-help books. Whom should I contact for more information? Please reach to customer service team whose car is parked outside asking the sellers who called you yesterday. Nobody called me yesterday. Whom should I contact for more information? You should contact Mr. Victor. What kind of books does he read? She mostly reads science fiction books whose car is parked outside is my dad's car. Whom should I contact for more information? The receptionist can help you with that.